third grade. Today we're doing lesson 98, estimating by weight and mass. We're going to go over a few different word problems. So this one is very long and lengthy. We have 3 different pages for one problem. But it says Gwen and Theo weighed a penny jar. Now imagine a jar full of pennies. To help them estimate the number of pennies, they found that the mass of the jar was 5 kilograms. So let's kind of just draw that out. We're going to draw a little jar here. And this jar, we're going to put a 5 on it. 5 kilograms on that jar, right? Then they measured the mass of 8 rolls of pennies. So let's make 8 little rolls of pennies. We'll just make them little like lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 rolls of pennies. 400 pennies, about 1 kilogram. So this was only 1K. This was 5Ks, this jar. And these rolls, all these rolls were 1K, which was actually 400 pennies. 400 pennies, 1K, right? Estimate about, it's supposed to say how many pennies are in the jar. So we have to figure out how many pennies are in the jar. And then it gives us the clue. It says, create a table, and this is a table, to help you estimate the number of pennies in kilograms in this jar. Or in here, right? So assume that 400 pennies has a mass of 1 kilogram, which we already figured out. But how many pennies are in that jar? So we need to figure out. We know there is 400 pennies in 1 kilogram. So how many pennies would be in 5 kilograms, basically, or in that jar? And so what we do is we have to basically add 400 each time we go through this table. So 400 plus 400 would be 800. And then 800 plus 400 more is 1,200. And then 1,200 or 1,200 plus 400 more is 1,600. And then 1,600 plus 400 more is 2,000. So we have a total of about, remember when we estimate, we always write about 2,000, not kilograms, but pennies. We're converting from kilograms to pennies. And that is how we do the first problem. Then we have a whole nother problem, so we'll take this down. We'll take these off of here, erase the board, and remember estimating, we always have to write the word about, and we were figuring it out not to the exact amount. An estimation is not an exact amount. So, and then we have a whole new problem we're going to do, one more. So let's get our marker, and it says, Allison knows that a pint of water, 1 pint of water, weighs about a pound. So let's just put that down here first. 1 pint equals about 1 pound. we know about, okay? So we're going to say, she weighs a pitcher of water. So a pitcher of water, you know, we're going to look like a pitcher of water. We'll give it a handle. Weigh, and it says, she weighs a pitcher of water and finds that it weighs 7 pounds. 7 pounds for that pitcher. Now the empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds. So this one, if an empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds, this one must be full of water, right? So the one filled with water weighs 7 pounds, and the empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds. The question is, how many pints of water are in the pitcher? Whoa, so we have to convert the pounds to pints and then figure out how many are in each. So that's a little figuring out there. Well, if 1 pound equals 1 pint, then this equals, the one filled equals 7 pints, right? And the empty one equals 3 pints. So, if we dump the water out, the one with water, take away the one without water, we'll get how much the water weighs, or how many pints are in there. And 7 take away 3 is 4 pounds or pints. But remember, for our answer, we have to put the word about, because it is an estimation question. And there is your answer. And that is how we do it. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.